Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Ingrao, audiologist and hearing aids expert for SeniorLiving.Org. Today, we're going to unbox the Otofonix Hearing Amplifier. Check the links below for our review on this product and enjoy the unboxing. Let's unbox the Otofonix Hearing Amplifier. It comes in a nice, well-designed box with a magnetic clasp on it. Inside, there's documentation for the free smartphone app, and this app is something you'll use to set up as well as adjust your hearing aids. Very straightforward. There's a user manual for the hearing aid, and this is, again, pretty straightforward, nice and clear, lots of nice pictures, easy to follow. If you still have trouble, you can always contact the company. There's a nice tip guide for dealing with feedback, which is something that hearing aid users unfortunately are challenged with. And then there's some compulsory warning information. The warning information is something that's required by the FDA, but don't worry about it. Using hearing aids and hearing amplifiers like this is perfectly safe. In addition to that, you've got several different sized ear tips included, a small piece of what looks like monofilament, that's for cleaning out the ear tubes. There's a couple of additional sound tubes, and a small brush for brushing off your microphones. A couple of packages of batteries are included with the device, so you don't have to run out right away. These are a number 13, as shown here, also by the color orange, zinc air batteries. And finally, let's get in and look at the actual hearing amplifiers themselves. These are a thin tube design, so the hearing device, the amplifier sits behind your ear, and then the sound travels down this little tube here to the little ear tip that's inside your ear. Overall, I find these devices to be pretty well made. We did a nice review of them on our site, and I encourage you to check that out for a little bit more information. It's not a hearing aid, it's an amplifier, but for people who have significant financial challenges or simply aren't feeling comfortable going out to a storefront right now with COVID, I think it's an interesting option and certainly something to be looked at.